after house arrest. Although, shortly thereafter, siya ay pinalaya with this great photo op na parang napalaya at naakwit na siya sa kanyang kaso. Hindi inalintana ito ng Pilipinas dahil, albeit mabagal, nag-grant naman na ang extradition request ng Pilipinas. They just had to wait. Pero in a bombshell ruling ng isang korte sa Timor-Leste, nireject nito ang request ng Pilipinas na i-extradite at i-deport pabalik sa Pilipinas si Teves because, political persecution, blah, 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 blah. Nang galaiti si DOJ Secretary Crispin Remulla. Why is this small country trying to impede our legal process, denying justice to the bereaved family? Gusto nyo makapasok sa ASEAN, di ba? You better act right kasi gagamitin namin to uncooperative motherfucker.
It is not going to be pleasant for Timor-Leste because they're applying to be in the ASEAN, and we are one of the founding fathers of the ASEAN. But we were filing an MR, but there are other branches of government moving, especially that there were commitments made before about this matter is just a very simple matter of an undocumented Filipino who's accused of a crime to be returned to the country.
Alas, nang pumunta na si President Marcos sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia para umattend sa 2025 ASEAN Summit, inendorso niya ang bid ng Timor-Leste na maging miyembro ng Association of Southeast Asian Nations, sealing the fate of Arnolfo Teves in the hands of the Filipinos he will soon be visiting.
Your Majesty, Excellencies, as one community, it is imperative that we provide whole of community support to Timor-Leste as it continues its meaningful journey towards full ASEAN membership. Timor-Leste's membership can only strengthen our ASEAN community as it expands the reach of ASEAN's united front to face the challenges of the 21st century.
After a productive and definitely a lot of negotiations, the government of Timor-Leste has now sent the accused and fugitive Arnolfo Teves Jr. back to his home country to face charges and trial regarding the Pamplona massacre.
I am not sure. I wasn't in the summit. I cannot